Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a softbox grid. First, let's gather our materials. You'll need several sheets of black poster board or foam board, enough to cover your softbox face. Grab some black duct tape or electrical tape, a sturdy ruler, a sharp utility knife or scissors, and a silver marker. These simple items will be the foundation of your new light modifier. Remember, careful preparation makes the building process much smoother. Now, let's prepare our grid strips. Measure your softbox's dimensions, then subtract about 2 inches from both the width and height to ensure a snug fit. Cut your black poster or foam board into strips, each about 2 to 3 inches wide. Next, use your ruler and silver marker to draw lines every 2 inches along each strip. Carefully cut halfway through each strip at these marks, creating notches for interlocking. With your strips cut and notched, it's time to assemble. Start by taping 4 strips together to form the outer rectangular frame of your grid. Then, carefully interlock the remaining horizontal and vertical strips, fitting the notches together. Work systematically to create a uniform pattern of 2-inch square cells. Once the grid is formed, use small pieces of black tape to reinforce the outer edges and any critical intersections, ensuring a sturdy structure. Finally, let's attach your new grid. Gently place the finished grid onto the front of your softbox. It should fit snugly due to the slightly smaller dimensions. For extra security, you can use small clamps or attach Velcro strips to the grid and softbox edges. This grid will dramatically control light spill, focusing your light more precisely. It's perfect for creating dramatic shadows, adding depth, and achieving a more controlled, professional lighting effect in your images.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.